Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel at Alexandru. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video clip and share so others know about this video clip. In the clip presented today, I will tell you about how to make money from TikTok, win real money from TikTok videos how to monetize the TikTok app. More precisely, it is possible to win money from TikTok app. To begin by saying that will you find all about monetizing TikTok in this guide. It doesn't exist no one who does not know the TikTok app. As a result of advertising policies aggressive, the TikTok app seems to have achieved in the end the success he wanted in the all world. Now it is possible to make money with TikTok, a publishing app and video viewing that has expanded user base and became very popular. After the TikTok app has become very popular, we can say that ways to make money on the internet was added a new model. Yes, to win money on TikTok has really become one from ways to win money online today. Application TikTok, does it really make money? It doesn't exist any problem with that. No include any application or site that does nt money. Yes, steal time people for nothing. Yes, win amounts small, requiring a great effort. We do not recommend them. How to make money from TikTok? Yes. Thanks new monetization functions added the application TikTok. Today it is possible to win money from the app TikTok moreover. You win money real again the money they earnings are sent in the account you're banking in the short time. If you don't cheat in the application TikTok or do not act against policy TikTok, it is possible to earn money on TikTok continuously. Will you find all the details about how to make money from TikTok and the rest this monetization guide TikTok. But if you don't understand TikTok and looking other applications to generate income for you applications to make money yourself, recommend to read guide our. There is some points at which are be to grant them careful then when use TikTok. For example, discrimination, racism, hate speech, sexuality, obscenity, nudity, violence, cruelty and other are also strictly prohibited. Therefore, definitely it be to stay away from nudity, obscenity, hatred and videos similar. In the case otherwise, you will be suspended immediately from the rewards program, and you will not be paid. Those who film and following such videos are exposed a big risk. What are the ways to win money from TikTok? There is many modes different to monetize TikTok. We will explain these methods in the separate titles. With everything we explain briefly every method. In the first turn, you have to emphasis that must to have an audience to win money from such channels, whether it's about Instagram, YouTube, etc., inclusive TikTok so it would be to you can reach the little bit, some people. This work it is valid and for YouTube. If your videos are not viewed, YouTube or anything platform not, you will pay in the first row, the videos you must viewed. Also, our be to produce quality content for videos you to watch, must have some followers, so you have to you can reach people. This work lasts something time, but quality content is shown always by itself again the number of followers. Will you start to grow in the short time? Of course, for those who say they can't handle it business, there is modal may easy to win money, for example ways to make money from home reading guide hour. You can find, and ways to win money may easy and faster. Between time, allow us to yourself remind that we guidelines, and we ways to make money online are constantly being added to the site immediately what the an application appears that makes money. We review it immediate and we share it with you, if we consider it positive. Besides, it is possible to win money from TikTok free. I have still a certain audience. The way to do this work it is to yourself join TikTok rewards program. To summarize briefly, what the call reward program TikTok it is that you guessed the other's friendship to avail application TikTok after the becoming member TikTok win TikTok points for every person who starts to avail TikTok with the code your invitation and you can use these puncture in the TikTok app as well to transform them in the cash and to transfer the money in the account you're banking. There is in such a method to win money on TikTok. Some friends tried to make money from TikTok, earn money following ads. They confuse the event, as it is believed TikTok app is not an app to watch advertising and win money let me alone to underline to stay when it's your turn your Now if you want from the app TikTok ways to make money to dig may deep and to explain may detailed one. These methods of making money on TikTok that I have mentioned are both tried. How much and information on the website official of TikTok, so you don't have to do yourself make worry if I really make money from TikTok or if the money will be submitted in my account. Earn money with TikTok rewards. TikTok has a program called TikTok rewards. This program is also considered a referral program. Recommendation means that a TikTok user his invite friends to avail and the application with others words participate in the TikTok reward program. Send friends cut a download link to download _ the TikTok app. You win a TikTok prize for every friend who installs the TikTok app on your phone, or and you start to avail the TikTok app via the link you sent. When your TikTok rewards reach a certain sum, convert these rewards in cash and transfer them in the account you're banking. TikTok explains about the TikTok reward program on the site or officially are the following. Eligibility criteria of the TikTok app for users are very simple. Everything _ must to make it is to have an active TikTok account. Thus you start the recommendation, invite you friends. With everything these, all of them users being a new recommendation, must to satisfied the requirements looking age minimum to enjoy the benefits _ referral program. Age requirements are as follows. Participants from Egypt must to have the little 21 years old. Participants from Japan must to have the slightly 20 years. The participants from Korea 19, and those who live in the other creep, must to have the a little 18 years old. To win a prize from the TikTok rewards program, the person invited must not to have used never TikTok app, and to have downloaded it to the phone. From this point of view, it is understood that make money with this method is not easily _ For information detailed about the TikTok awards, we would like to include the explanations on the website official here. Yes, we continue. TikTok awards are a token of appreciation from TikTok for the community or users from all over world. Rewards TikTok is the currency reward won in the TikTok referral program. TikTok rewards can be earned then when an existing user invites a user new to join _ the platform. Immediate what the new user I create a profile and enter with your friend invite code is the person who recommended him you start to win. To win _ and may much with TikTok rewards, the new users can participate in activities usual video viewing, accessible from the page the event. These will enable new user and concerning to earn TikTok rewards. Such video viewing activities depend _ often time. Therefore, the new user must to watch videos in the time specified because both _ part to be eligible for rewards. The site official TikTok also has the following information. You can redeem earn TikTok referral rewards _ for money real _ but that's not all. You can also use TikTok rewards as coupons or mobile recharges in some countries. Awards will be collected at a rate fixed. Check application you _ TikTok for many information about rewards available in the country you _ How to converted rewards TikTok in the cash? To we answer this question with an explanation on the site official. Withdrawal TikTok rewards in cash it is a process-free problems. Everything _ must to make it is to yourself connector payment channels _ electronic, such as PayPal or the account banking, at TikTok and to withdraw the amount desired. This one is another _ method to make money on TikTok. Also, our _ beta emphasis that it does not exist any limit for the money that can be earned through TikTok rewards. So there is no limit superior. EEC. What the must to make it is to yourself guests friends to join _ TikTok _ and measure what the download application and watching the videos, both of them. Will you win TikTok reward points? To win _ TikTok reward points, my friend you must not to have downloaded never the TikTok app on your phone is _ even if you downloaded it and deleted this one _ method is not valid. How to make reward money _ TikTok step by step. As a TikTok user, you can participate in TikTok rewards, and you start to earn money immediately. Yourself we say how you can win money from TikTok step by step. Open the TikTok app, visit page exploration. For you _ or profile make click on the TikTok rewards button, then make click the icon currency placed in the upper left corner of the screen. Find referral link _ and invitation code on the page that opens. This referral link will be used to you _ invite friends on the TikTok app. Guests friends on TikTok sending referral link _ the friend who downloaded application will automatically earn points after what he will enter the referral code you gave him. If you former recommended by a friend, open TikTok app and visit the section profile to win _ TikTok points. Make click the icon the coin next to it names you _ by user. Enter redirect code _ the invitation in the free space on the opening page. Then now _ you can send on referral link and the code to others. In measure what the friends your states TikTok with the code your invitation, you will win points. There is some points at which are be to grant them careful then when use TikTok. For example, discrimination, racism, hate speech, sexuality, obscenity, nudity, violence, cruelty _ and other, are also strictly prohibited. Therefore, definitely _ it be to stay away from nudity, obscenity, hatred and videos similar. In the case otherwise, you will be suspended immediately from the rewards program, and you will not be paid. Now come on to yourself we say another way you can win money from the app TikTok _ this way is easy. and may profitable than the TikTok rewards program I described above. We will offer details may down. Speaking of another way profitable, why? Earn money. Write articles you are not reading guide hour, and you don't try to win money may many and may fast. You can win a lot than the money that you earn from TikTok by writing articles. Instant cash. Earn money publishing TikTok videos. With this one method, you can win money and on TikTok via advertisement your videos. Although this one way to win money through advertising is not apply only on TikTok. There is an opportunity to win money by advertise on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and applications similar. Of course, the public ear is important in this advertising event and monetization. With others' words, those who have a large number of followers can do this thing. You will value that any company does not want to make advertisement videos. People with a number reduced by followers. People with a large number of followers can win money through advertising. These people either contact the companies directly themselves, either as a result of being contacted companies on them people. I get it ads on their videos. They shoot and broadcasting videos advertising. In this way, them I get a fee from the advertising company and in this kind win money underscore. If ask how can I get ads on my TikTok videos? Yes, we offer information may detailed. To suppose that you have a large number of followers and want to transform this one situation in an advantage, then access the websites of certain companies. It can be anything company you want. They can exist even in local companies. It can be a restaurant, market, jewelry, haberdashery and so may. OA underscore go to their websites companies and send an email to the email addresses in the contact section. Write the link page you underscore in the content of the email. Also indicate how many trackbacks you have and the number of video views you underscore tell that want to get advertisements. Specify a price or wait offer the other part without specifying a fee. Underscore when the answer comes the other parts. You agree to the price and shooting the video for advertising and you publish on the page you underscore so make money underscore. Earn money earning TikTok tokens. Another one method through which you can win money through the TikTok app is to win coins and to transform these coins into money underscore more precisely. Yes, suppose that video viewers underscore and transmission live gives them a tip sending gifts content producers underscore viewers give gifts the content producer that is editors the video with some objects on the TikTok app. This gift it is converting the money by TikTok and underscore the value monetary value of the gift, respectively the money, it is transferring in the video editor account. There are various items that can be offered gift to the person who posted the video on TikTok. These objects are as follows, underscore tennis ball, 1 coin, letter magic, 7 coins, wishing bottle, 7 coins, soccer ball, 1 coin, mirror, 30 coins, handshake, 9 coins, hello, 5 coins, gamepad, 10 coins, mini speaker, 1 coin, equip 30 coins, ice cream cone, 1 coin, perfume, 20 coins, lollipops, 10 coins, rose, 1 coin, microphone, 5 coins, TikTok, 1 coin. If you are an editor, the gifts you want provide are as in the list above. With everything these, not all currencies written near gifts will be transferred in the account you underscore TikTok is about 30% off and some taxes are withheld. Amount left it is transferred in the account the publisher. In the list above, I wrote equivalents gifts as coins. Now to note the prices coins may down. In this way, you can calculate both cost of the currency as a spectator, how much in the earnings you underscore of currency, as a broadcaster approximate and the cash underscore beside underscore the gifts listed in the list above. Recently were made available underscore TikTok users gifts we, and may dear underscore new gifts out in the everyday YouTube channel at Alexandru. Thank you for watching this video clip to the end. I hope it was a video clip from which you learned something. Understand, if you like this video clip, don't forget **** subscribe, give a like, a share on social networks, so your friends know cut this clip.